Hi, Bill Yannick here, ConnexFM CEO. Welcome to the Daily Grind. As today we're on the Daily Grind, we have a subject matter experts on auditing and technology and all those things. We're even going to throw in AI, which is really cool. He's Brett Karol. He's COO of ProxyPics, highly engaged ConnexFM member. Brett, welcome to the Daily Grind.
Thank you, Bill.
And you're coming to us, well, I guess greater Chicagoland, right? A little ways away. Other
Ex
than that,
exactly.
though, why don't I give you a chance just to reintroduce ProxyPics? What do you do and what are you up to?
Yep. So as you said, Brett Karol, the CEO here. ProxyPics, we work with retailers, and then we also work with the vendors of those retailers to get
Yeah.
data. If it's for landscaping, RFPs, whatever that might be. So we've started with simple photos, and we've moved all the way up now into floor plans, lidars, drones, and everything like that. But as this conversation is, it's all about AI. So we're taking all that data now, and we're building our own AI machine to change the industry in those regards.
Good stuff. Okay, so you mentioned at least one or maybe the technology solution. Maybe I take a step back. It's always audit inspection season, but where you get your data is from those audits and inspections. What are some of the challenges that ProxyPics encounters in the marketplace?
Yeah, so the big thing now is just, like you said, doing thousands of these a day, or a month, right? And going there and doing the landscaping. It's all about consistency and clarity. A lot of teams nowadays, they have five, six people that are reviewing these and everything, and everyone has their own view.
Yeah.
It's not consistent. So with a well-trained AI model, we've implemented it for a bunch of clients now to where they get consistent results every single time. And if it's wrong or we find it's wrong, we train it and we fix it and it's good going forward. So the consistency is definitely a big part on that.
Cool. Okay, so now to dive in a little bit more, you mentioned AI and other technology tools. How are you employing that to overcome these challenges?
Yeah, so our big thing with that is we're going to be taking those things and we're going to be actually doing those audits and we're going to be able to review that and provide that AI response so that those team members are actually worried about what the issues are. They're worried about what happened. We can determine what happened from the previous visit to the current visit and let them know this is what happened in the last month or the last 2 months. And they don't have to spend that time wasted to actually go and research those different things.
Really neat. Yeah, and that perpetual learning, how AI can build upon itself is certainly a game changer. And for the record, I fully support the AI revolution. So when it does take over the world, take me last. Well, maybe back
Exactly.
to more of the blocking and tackling in our membership ranks. This probably comes as no surprise, but you deal with hundreds, thousands of sites over a large geographic area. What are some of the unique challenges that ProxyPics, that our FMs encounter on dealing with such a complex marketplace?
Yeah, the big thing there is just managing that. They have an entire team that they're working with that are going to be reviewing these and everything. We're cutting down that. We're cutting down that time and we're focusing on the important things. So instead of reviewing your 2,000 sites every single month, we're going to cut that down to 10%. And that's what they're going to be able to concentrate on to make sure that the worst of the worst, so to speak, is going to bump up to be the best of the best. And nothing gets slipped and nothing gets missed based off of that AI.
Good stuff. All right, the big question, the toughest question before we let you go. I can't recall, probably since the advent of the internet, more buzz and predictions, and every famous person has this is doom or gloom or great or all that stuff. So, Brett, I'm going to give you a chance to go on the record. What are you seeing in the near future, maybe the not so near future, the next 3 or so years, technology wise, or maybe what ProxyPix does?
Yeah, definitely. So we're kind of doing it already to a degree, but I mean, it's all about data and it's all about that approach and that making that decision. So we have millions upon millions of photos already that we've trained. But look at RFP season that's coming around and everything. You can have one set of data from us or from whoever it might be, the person in the fields, and that data can get used across five different vendors and be able to get those results. We do it on the residential world today when it comes to like creating budgets for like a fix and flip property. We can do that thing, and we're in the process of doing it now, to where we can create you a budget, estimates, everything like that, all from photos, all from aerials. And it's going to save time for everyone, and it's going to be consistent across all those vendors. So no more us getting requests for 5 different vendors for a pavement. It's going to be, here's your one set, here's your data, give me my RFP pricing and everything, and get results quick to get those things fixed.
I love it, Brett. Not doom and gloom at all. Very positive stuff. So, Brett,
Yep.
thanks so much for joining us. Check out ProxyPics for our membership out there. This is your daily grind. We're at ConnexFM.com. Have a good one.